Okay.
Hello.
Sweet as, bro. So we've made it to, well, change of plans.
Where are we today?
Rotorua.
Yes.
Lake Rotorua. Oh.
No. Lake Rotoiti.
Lake Rotoiti.
If anyone would like to correct us, feel more than welcome.
Yes. So we changed our plans. We're going to be going to Hotwater Beach, but we've changed that due to different circumstances. Whatever. We started today in Auckland and we went to the Skytower where Emma tried to conquer her fears of the glass floor.
38mm thick.
As
Not
you can
thick
see.
enough.
Not thick enough.
See the light coming.
Just pretending that's not happening. Look at me, just look at me, come to me. No, you're stuck. And then we went to the, what's it called? Kelly Tarlton's Aquarium, or Sea Life Aquarium. Not as big as Emma remembers as a child.
Oh well.
But here's some cool footage from that. Here we go. You are 5 seconds into
Are
it.
you kidding? My head's freezing. You're 5 seconds in.
Get up. And then we just drove about 3.5 hours, including about an hour and a half in traffic in Auckland, just to get here. Because tomorrow we're going for a really cool experience. We're going to cover ourselves in mud and smell like rotten eggs like we did in Italy. Well, we don't like eggs in Italy, we didn't do it in mud. But anyway, sounds good? I'll wrap this up here. Thanks for watching today's video.
Why, what are you gonna do?
No, don't hold it that way. Always a landscape, dear.
But that thing away.